Hi, this is Jeannie from Jimmy Beans Wool, and I'm here today talking about Debbie Bliss's newest magazine. It's Spring Summer 2011. We have all gotten very excited around here, pouring through the pages, trying to decide what we want to work up first. Right away, I jumped in. I just love this charming little Intarsia sweater with roses. It's just so sweet. And
we have a kit. We have a kit.
We have a kit? Ooh, Shimon says we have a kit. How easy is that? Pick up the kit. You don't even have to think. I mean, this is just darling. Here's another one that we have a kit for this one too. No, not yet. We're working on it. Really cute little cardigan with just a tiny Intarsia flower up there. I am really excited about this little shrug and this little kind of airy, I don't know what yarn she's using, but
it's
just
the new Debbie Bliss.
Huh?
The new Debbie Bliss Angel.
It is the new Debbie.
We're
getting the new Debbie Bliss Angel. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! Lovely little lace pattern, just a sweet little top to wear with anything. So, as with all Debbie Bliss products, I love Debbie Bliss. I'll be adding this magazine to my collection real soon, and I encourage you to do the same. So, have a great day. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Thunder rumbles on this American summer night. There's kids on the corner stuck in a switchblade fight, and the rock and roll bands play for the girls on the